Welcome to this video on fishery arts. We will identify and differentiate the three major branches: fish culture, also known as aquaculture, fish capture, and fish preservation. Let's look at this visual guide. Both the vegetable farm and the fish pond are systems controlled by humans to produce food. This teaches us that aquatic cultivation requires active care and management. Fishery systems operate much like agriculture. For example, just as land crops require weeding and fertile soil, fish ponds require regular cleaning to prevent disease and keep the water environment healthy for the stock. Think about how we handle our fish supply. We can raise them in a controlled environment like a fishbowl, catch them from the wild using a net, or preserve them to ensure they last for future consumption. To understand these fishery arts, remember, fish culture is raising aquatic life, fish capture is harvesting from the wild, and fish preservation uses methods like drying or canning to prevent spoilage. Consider the story of Barangay Manga. Mario manages fish ponds, Mang Sano collects wild fish, and Aling Nina processes the catch. Together, they ensure that marine food is produced, caught, and preserved without waste. Let's test your understanding. Mario protects and raises fish in managed pens. Mang Sano gathers wild fish from the sea using nets, and Aling Nina prevents spoilage so food stays market ready. These branches support a solid economy. If a large catch of wild fish comes in, the preservation branch is essential to prevent rot. Furthermore, sustainable practices are critical to protect our marine ecosystem. Ultimately, these arts create a cycle that brings food to families, jobs to communities, and trade to the economy. This life cycle turns natural resources into social wealth while keeping ecosystems stable. Now it is your turn to practice. In your groups, you will either create a flow map, perform a market broadcast, or engage in a sorting relay to reinforce how these three industry branches connect. Your group's work will be assessed on how well you separate the fishery branches, your awareness of eco-friendly habits, team interaction, and the speed and precision of your tasks. Take a moment to review these scenario questions. They cover the branches, methods, and the environmental impact of various fishing practices. Here are the answers to the scenario review. Use these to check your understanding of fish culture, capture, preservation, and ecological responsibility. For your assignment, identify the preservation methods of 3 home products and list 2 eco-friendly fishing tools that avoid damaging reefs. To conclude, remember that our food choices connect us to the hardworking people along our coastlines. By supporting sustainable fishery arts, we help ensure food security and a healthy environment.